Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations. I'm still Steve as always, and I've got some good news today. So I went out and bought a Rode microphone. So if you watched or attempted to watch the last video of the Keystone Truck and Tractor Museum, you saw that I had some audio issues. I mean, it was terrible sounding out in the parking lot, and then once I got into the building, it was just like non-existent. So I had to kind of put a disclaimer on there apologizing for the quality of the audio and put some music to the video that I had, which is subpar music. You know, when you have the editing software that gives you some free music to use, it's not always the top tier, right? So due to copyright, you know, I can't just put any songs or music on there that I want to. If I could, believe me, I would. For some reason, YouTube lets you put whatever you want on the shorts videos though. So if you haven't checked out my shorts videos, check those out. There's some cool ones on there, some different machinery doing different things, and some good music that I like, you know, 60s, 70s, classic rock, that kind of stuff. So anyway, check those out. But we did get the audio part resolved, I believe. Seems like a far superior microphone setup from what I had before. You know, Tony, my buddy, he recommended I get this this brand. He uses this on his motorcycle helmet for his microphone. A lot of other YouTubers highly recommend Rode, so we're gonna give it a shot. It's not their like high-end one; it's actually like the lower-end one, but you know, so is my YouTube channel, right? So we'll try it out, see how it works, and go from there. Update on the 430 crawler. As you can see, it's getting put together. It's coming along. Yesterday, I put on the new radiator. It's not new, just cleaned up, refurbished, repainted. New hoses. I got the rebuilt starter on. I got the dash assembly put together. I'll save that. I'm not going to show you that yet. Evergreen Restorations. If you're restoring a tractor or need gauges for anything, whether it be a car or a truck, go online, talk to Gary. I'm sorry, Jerry. Jerry Tricka and his wife have Evergreen Restorations. It's the only company you should buy gauges from. It's the only company you should buy gauges from. Seriously. Like, I've tried to go the cheap route before and buy the eBay or Amazon special, and they look good. You get it on the equipment and you're like, oh, why don't I have any oil pressure? Or how come my temp gauge isn't going up? I guarantee you they're not going to work. So spend the extra money. Don't be a cheap ass like I used to be, and get the Evergreen Restorations gauges. You will not be dissatisfied, I promise. They're amazing. They're awesome. They look great. They know what gauges go on what year, model, make tractors, and they're perfect. So, and they always work. So I'll save that because it's awesome. The dash panel looks great. You'll see that later on. Anyway, it's coming together. I don't have much left. I ordered a complete wiring harness from Brillman. So once I get all the gauges wired and the harness ran, I can get the fuel tank put in and put some oil and coolant in, and we should be able to hopefully start this thing this weekend. If everything goes well with the start, I'll get the grill and the hood installed, and basically the tractor itself is complete. The only thing remaining for the restoration is the rollers and the tracks, so basically the undercarriage. So I wanted to do it this way so that I could get everything running, kind of do a break-in on the engine, make sure everything is good with the main clutch, the steering clutches. In the event that there is an issue with any of those, I don't foresee there being a problem, but if there is one, now would be the time to take it back apart and not have to wait until after I have the whole track assembly put back on. So don't make more work for yourself. I've done this a few times. This is the 4th crawler I've restored, and I'm telling you, you want to start and operate this thing before you put the tracks back on. So anyway, that being said, I'm happy with how things have come out. I think it looks pretty good, and it's only going to get better from here. So thank you again for everybody's patience with the audio issues. Hopefully this new Rode microphone, not sponsored, would be nice, right? Anyway, hopefully it works out good. And I appreciate everybody's time, and hit that subscribe button. All right? Thanks again. I appreciate everything.